At Forge, we design and manufacture world-leading LED lighting. Design is accomplished by our team of highly talented, enthusiastic and creative engineers who have a wealth of experience in diverse disciplines such as electronics, mechanics and optics. And the products we design find global application in a wide range of industries. For example, we light electric cookers, we light airfields, we light motor caravans, we light railway trains, we light roads. The list is never ending and ever growing. And so our day-to-day business environment is very fast-paced. It's highly stimulating and genuinely exciting as we continually strive to retain and improve our leading position at the forefront of LED technology.
Forge works in an environment where the technology is developing constantly. Since 1993, we've been very good at understanding customer needs through this technology development and finding out what it is they're trying to achieve. What would they really like that they haven't seen before? And I can almost guarantee that we'll be able to provide that.
I think one of my proudest moments was when we got a Queen's Award for Outstanding Innovation. It demonstrated the scope of our expertise and it raised our profile. And suddenly we found customers and indeed suppliers coming along and saying, didn't realise you were so interesting in your particular field. And it gave us a great impetus to taking on new challenges. And what we demonstrated is that we can compete with the best, not only in the UK, but on the world stage.
The commercial department here in our Ulverston headquarters is a hive of activity and the base from which all our long-term customer relationships are built. We work with a variety of different industries which makes every day different. Learning about new companies and their application for LED is fascinating. With 41% of our customers located outside of the UK, ensuring that our business is seen on the international lighting stage is key. This also provides lots of opportunity for travels and again makes the days even more interesting.
One of the great things about working at an SME is you get the chance for your talents to be recognised, because there have been many times when somebody's come along and done one particular role, but because it's such a personal company to work for, we found that they've got hidden talent doing something completely different. It's a great benefit to the business. When one of my colleagues suggested the idea of flexible working, I have to admit that initially I was against it. And then we implemented it and I realised that actually it has huge benefits for us, because if people are allowed to organise their working hours around the rest of their lives, then there's a good chance that they'll come to work happier, and overall everybody will get something and we will ultimately be more efficient and a happier place to work.
One of the unique aspects about working for Forge is getting involved in many different areas of the business. You're never pigeonholed. You've got access to all people at all levels, and you can really make a difference to everything that you do.
Forge is an incredibly sustainable business, both in terms of its environmental practices. Our product is environmentally sound, but on the other side, we're also incredibly sustainable in terms of our growth. We grow in a very planned way. This means that there's often new opportunities for current employees to grow their own careers within our company.
One of the great things about Forge is that they understand that to invest in themselves, they need to invest in their people. A perfect example of this is how Forge invest in me and my education by sending me to university to gain a degree, and I get hands-on work experience where I get to bring back my knowledge and implement this in the work that I do at Forge. However, this is just one example, as Forge actually invests in all of their people throughout the business in a range of different disciplines.
This is my 15th year at Forge. And what keeps me here is every day is a different day, without a doubt, but also the team and the people. The core team at Forge have been here collectively for many, many years, and that's a testament to not only the business but the individuals within the team also.
So Forge is different from any other company because of the community that gets built here. Everybody becomes good friends. We're a community-driven business, and because of that, it's a great place to work.
If you want a great community, you can't just expect somebody else to do it for you. You have to create that environment yourself. And that is why we're so keen to engage with the local school, particularly in terms of actually encouraging the pupils to be enthused by the thought of science and technology. And one of our tasks is to get that thirst for knowledge over to the next generation. And hopefully one day they might think of us as a place to come and work.